Name an animal that makes a loud noise.
A lion.
Lion! She says lion. Survey says... Woo! That's the top answer. Heritage, do you want to play or do you want to pass?
Are we playing?
Yes. They're playing. Thank you very much, Alainka. Occupy family.
Yes.
Why do we choose Occupy name?
Don't worry, you will know.
Okay, yeah, Occupy the space. How are you doing, Heritage?
Very well, thank you.
Ready to walk away with 5 million naira?
Of course.
Amazing. Heritage, introduce yourself and the rest of the Occupy
Okay, Bisola,
family.
we have a little something for you.
Give it to us. Give it to us.
Let's go.
Occupy family.
Everything on God.
What's our mandate?
Occupy
Won't be for anybody.
Hey! Hey! I know this your mandate is to occupy.
You know.
But sometimes, grill. Grill. All right, Heritage, continue.
My name is Heritage. I work for an INGO here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm a project specialist. And to my right here is my man.
Ooh.
Thank you to my man.
See how he's doing? Yeah, that's me.
Anything insurance, he's an insurance expert. Please, by all means, reach out to my man.
No problem.
Thank you.
Love it.
And to my right, further down, is Aiyeola. Aiyeola is my friend, my queen.
Okay. Ooh.
She's an analyst for a financial institution here, also in Lagos. And to my right is my mom-in-love, my sweet mommy. She's a businesswoman.
I thought she's your sister.
You know, he runs in the family.
Love it.
So she's a businesswoman. She sells a couple of things. You will get to know her. You will get to know her. And then further down to my right, have you heard that saying, under the sun and in the rain? You don't know.
I didn't know.
She's serving her country. So that's
You forgot shout compassion now.
Anyway, so yeah, that's my sister.
Bless
and
her.
then, yeah, she's currently serving.
Give it up for the Occupy family. All right, Heritage, tell us some interesting things about yourself.
Okay, so for me, in my spare time, I enjoy vlogging. So my job takes me out a lot. So, you know, I always like to vlog just to keep memories and look back and enjoy and smile.
Do you share them on social?
A bit, not so much. Not so much.
You know
but a
that
bit.
content is the new oil.
I know.
It's the new oil. This is something that is your pastime. You enjoy. You love vlogging.
Know.
Oh, that's quite interesting. I find it very stressful.
To vlog?
But yes, it's a lot. It's a lot. You go set camera, look for good light, look for good background. But you do that for fun.
Yes, I do.
And what else?
Yeah, and
Pretty much
yes,
that.
pretty much.
Give
that.
it up for Heritage, guys. Love it. Hi, Witness.
Hi, Bisola.
Yo, babe, George, hey, my man. My man. Promote you, promote your business, promote everything. How long have you two been together?
7 months.
Woo! Cute and fresh. They look fresh, don't they? Don't they look fresh? How's it going, Witness?
Awesome.
Tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, for me, I'm an insurance executive, but I also like to call myself a vision setter. So I'm a strategist also. Everything around me deals with humanity. It has to be focused on impact, basically. That's all I do.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What do you do for fun, Witness?
For me, it's service. Everything around me is service. What gives me real joy is when I see someone else happy. So it's all about service.
Heritage. You are enjoying. Give it up for Witness, guys. She's enjoying. Baby, my leg is crashing me. You will do it for her. Witness. Name an animal that makes a loud noise.
Dog.
Dog. He says dog. Survey says... Woo! They are following themselves. Boo le boo. Aiyeola.
Hi,
How you
Bisola.
doing?
I'm good.
Happy to be here.
Excited to be
So
here.
you are friends. See, that's my queen, my
Yes,
friend.
so-
Aiyeola, you two, you have blush face. Yeah. Tell us about Aiyeola.
Okay, so my name is Oola. I work as a credit analyst in the financial institution. I think basically that's
That's
it.
pretty much. How did
That's
you
pretty
two become
much.
friends?
Oh, we met in church.
Oh, on church. Are you to inquire?
No.
Church worker?
Yes.
definitely.
Which department?
Follow up.
Your own department?
Same follow-up as well.
Aw. Give it up for Aiyeola, guys. Aiyeola, name an animal that makes a loud noise.
Chickens.
Chickens! Yes! Yes! I wouldn't have thought of that. Survey says. Who do this, our survey? I'm not among them because I think that's a good answer.
Yeah.
Bose, hi. Our mom in love. I love the way Heritage says. How do you do, ma'am?
Fine.
Happy to be here.
You are welcome.
Amazing. Tell us more about Bose.
Bose is a very simple and nice, but I like doing business.
You like doing business?
Yeah.
Any kind of business?
Any kind of minus human being.
Any kind minus human being. It's true. She didn't deal in body parts. Oh. So what does Bose do for fun?
I like gymming.
We dey see her for your body. Now, see sweet girl now. Give it up for the sweet girl now. When I looked at the occupied family, I was expecting, oh, this is our friend. You know, like she says, we are in the same church. Alas, it's mom-in-law. It looks sweet. And how long have you been working out, going to the gym?
3 years now.
Amazing. Bisola, this is a cue for you to stop wasting gym registration money.
Yeah.
Give it up for Bose, guys. Bose, name an animal that makes a loud noise. It's a buzzer. That's how family food used to do. It can hook you. Hi, Blessed.
Hi.
Our compassion. How's it going?
Very well.
Where are you serving?
In Lagos.
In Lagos. Okay. Tell us a bit about Blessed.
Blessed is a quiet person. I love to cook and I love reading.
Is she quiet?
She's not quiet.
I love it. You see, the only way you will know who's true character when their siblings are around.
She's not quiet.
So because you're on television now, Blessed is a quiet person and she likes to cook. But your sister said that is she the last born?
Yes.
Oh, baby of the house, you can never be quiet. Especially when debit of account is coming to do this stuff for money. Give it up for Blessed, guys. Blessed girl, you've got 2 strikes. The lovely Peter family, I see them, they're smiling. Hey. Online can say, yes, I'm a ballo, I will check it. They can steal it from you. Blessed, I ask you now, name an animal that makes a loud noise.
Parrot.
Parrots! Yes! Cha, 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 cha. Parrots. Survey says. Woo! Nice. Heritage.
Yes,
You still
Bisola.
have 2 strikes. The Peter family can steal. Name an animal that makes a loud noise.
An elephant.
An elephant! Yeah. Very strong. She says elephant. Survey says. Hey! She they give them. Quack, quack, quack. Witness. You still have 2 strikes. The Peter family can steal. Name an animal that makes a loud noise.
Cow.
Cow! It's a cow. Survey says. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Hi, Olayinka.
Hi.
Are you ready to steal from the lovely Occupy family?
Yes, very ready.
Olayinka, for a chance to steal from the Occupy family, name an animal that makes a loud noise.
Wolf.
Wolf! He says, wolf? Yeah, I didn't know. But yeah, the people that do the survey, they have heard wolf before. But Lekoyi, wolf. Survey says. I didn't think it was gonna be on the board. But let's reveal number 7. Frog. Number 5. Cricket. And lastly, number 4.